how to make Truecaller default SMS app on Android or iOS phone. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile here, and now click the settings icon and scroll down until you find messaging. Here's it, messaging. Now click on it, and here we'll find make Truecaller default SMS app. Click on it and select Truecaller, and that's it. Then click set as default, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.